We just replaced the igniter in our gas oven. It seems to work fine, but now when we turn the oven on, we can smell gas and there is a boom when the oven ignites. Does something need to be adjusted?
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Gas is not flowing to the igniter properly. Look at the old igniter and the metal bracket may be shaped differently on the old igniter compared to the new igniter. If so, you need to swap over the bracket from the old to the new igniter carefully without damaging the igniter. If they are shaped the same, try to get the igniter closer to the burner by bending it slightly.
The oven is currently on. When it cools, I will check it to look at the bracket. How do I get back in touch with you if necessary?
You just post back like you did right now. The question isn't closed even if you rate me, so you can wait to rate or rate me now, it doesn't matter. Just come back and post if you have further questions one way or another.
The bracket was exactly the same, so I bent it closer to the burner. It seems to light, because there is a glow, but now the oven doesn't heat and there is still the smell of gas.
Something is going on with the mounting of your igniter. The glow from the igniter means that it's getting power, and the fact that gas is coming out means that the igniter is pulling over 3.2 amps, which is needed, but the igniter should get gas funneled directly into the glowing igniter, and if it's not, then it's not mounted properly for some reason. Possibly if you take a picture of how you have the igniter mounted to the burner from a few different angles and use the paper clip function above this text box to show me the image, I can see what is wrong.
I know that I uploaded 2 pictures, but I am not certain if the third one uploaded. Do these help?
I didn't actually get either picture. Can you try to just attach one at a time and send with one picture attached in case it's too large to send to? Okay, you have the igniter mounted backwards. Bend the igniter bracket straight again. Then remove the 2 screws. Have the entire hang down and under the bracket so that the screws come in above the igniter. Then post a picture and let me see it before you try again.
I don't believe that it is possible to do that. I tried, but the bracket does not fit far enough down to allow the holes to line up.
Trust me. You need to have the igniter hang below that bracket so that it's mounted directly next to the burner. You have it mounted upside down.
I think that it is fixed. It preheated with no problem. Thank you so much. I will be happy to rate your responses as excellent.
Awesome, I'm glad it's working again. You have a great rest of the day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.